Hi there guys and girls, so typical British weather out here. I just want to introduce the video by saying Dave Barry is one of my favourite artists. I love all the different styles of music that he did. I played this a couple of times and played it through. This is my interpretation of it and how I would play it, so I hope you enjoy it. See you again soon.
Ziggy played guitar, jamming good with Weird and Gilly and the Spiders from Mars. He played it left hand, but made it too far. Became the special man, then we were Ziggy's band. Ziggy really sang, screwed up eyes and screwed